Supreme Court has modified its August 11 order, saying that the stray dogs will be released back to the same area after sterilization and immunization. However, the dogs infected with rabies or exhibiting aggressive behavior will not be released back. The court further orders that no public feeding of dogs will be allowed and dedicated feeding spaces for stray dogs will be created. Over SC order on stray dogs in Delhi NCR, Supreme Court lawyer and petitioner Nanita Sharma said it is a good order which clearly states that the dogs needs to be released back after sterilization. The dogs have to be looked after by the authorities. I appeal to the authorities to be a bit more humane.
No, see, I am quite satisfied with the order. I think they also have to, make a balance. They cannot just have one-sided order. So I really feel that it's a very good order. Yes, there is a little issue with the fact that, when you're picking up the dogs, they have to be left at the same place, which they have cleared from this order, that they cannot be relocated to any shelter houses or anywhere else, So that they have looked after, but yes, they have not talked about the dogs which have already been picked up by the MCD, So where there's so many videos coming up and being uploaded that they have they have picked up the dogs and they're leaving it some different places. So that has not been covered by this judgment, but.
Court has said that they will be released once they are sterilized.
Yes, I'm sure they will be. Yeah.
So, until then, do you think that those dogs are safe which have been picked up?
Yes. I hope so.
No, I think that
they have to be looked after by the authorities. They have to be looked after by the authorities. It is my plea to all the authorities to just be a little more humane and do what is right in life. That's all.
We know that only interim, and the court has listed the matter after 8 weeks. Do you hope that there will be stronger orders?
Of course. The
court will also consider the safety of
100%. There should be, because even my petition is pending before the Honorable Court, where I've asked for so much, from the court that the funds which were being allocated for sterilization and vaccination, they are not being used up for the same purpose, but they are siphoning off those funds because the authorities are not performing their statutory duties and pocketing those funds. So that they need to have some accountability. So I'm sure there'll be better orders in this, in the future. Yeah.
Similarly, Delhi NCR, Delhi Mayor Raja Iqbal Singh welcomed the decision and said the administration will implement it 100%. The dog lovers and the NGOs also wanted the dogs to be sterilized and left. The corporation already did the same. Ferocious and aggressive dogs that have developed the habit of biting should be treated and kept, he said.
सबसे पहले हम वेलकम करते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, ये बहुत ही अच्छा फैसला है और हम इसको 100% इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। जो डॉग लवर्स थे, जो एनजीओज थी, वो भी यही चाह रहे थे कि जो स्ट्रे डॉग्स को स्टेरिलाइज करके छोड़ दिया जाए, और कॉर्पोरेशन ऑलरेडी वही करती थी। और साथ ही साथ जो फ्यूशियस और एग्रेसिव डॉग्स हैं जिनकी हैबिट हो चुकी है